Have you ever wondered how websites and banks can make a secure connection so that you can send them your information? The answer is encryption, or the method of swapping every character for another one so that bad actors can't spy on you. Simple encryption involves just swapping every letter for another. For instance, replacing every A with an H or every B with a Z. But the problem with that is twofold. Number one, if the message is too long, a bad actor can just crack it. In fact, some people do that for fun. Second, the sender and receiver both have to know the code ahead of time. But if a bad actor intercepts my code, then they know the messages as well. A solution to both of these problems is called RSA encryption. In this method, I send you the code to scramble the message, but only I have the code to unscramble it again. Let's convert your message to a series of numbers M, and then I will send you E and N so that you can encrypt your message according to this equation. Modulo is an operation that returns the remainder after you divide a number. For example, 5 mod 4 gives you 1, because 5 divided by 4 is equal to 1 with a remainder of 1. Now you would think that taking the modulo of a number would lose information, because there are a lot of numbers mod 4 that give you 1. But if I put conditions on N and E, then it's possible for me to recover the original message. In particular, N is the product of two prime numbers, P and Q. And E has been chosen so that it satisfies this equation, which also depends on P and Q. Don't worry if the math went by too fast. Here's the key. Everything depends on these two prime numbers, P and Q. Once I have those, if I want you to send me secure information, I can give you E and N publicly. And then I can decrypt your message because I already know what P and Q are. And if P and Q are large enough, then it's impossible for bad actors to break my code. In fact, banks will regularly use prime numbers that are so big that right now, a classical computer cannot break them. Thanks for watching.